Hey guys, I hope you're all okay. So today I'll be covering what I did to replace my dumb light switch with something a little smarter. As always, there are timestamps in the description. Let's get into it. What you're seeing here is a switch cover made specifically for the Philips Hue Dimmer Switch. In the box you get two switch covers. This is the faceplate that will screw onto the existing light switch, the flat-headed screws and washers, the top part of the cover that will hold the Philips Hue Dimmer Switch. To begin the installation, you'll first need to take out the screws from the existing light switch, as they probably won't be long enough to get the job done. That's what she said. The provided screws are 35mm in length, which should be sufficient to hold the switch plate in place. What I usually do is hand tighten the screws first so I know they're in position, and then I can use a screwdriver to finish them off. Before you add the dimmer switch cover, check that the switch plate is level. If it isn't, loosen the screws a little, and then with the spirit level placed on top of the switch plate, push the plate so that it's level and then tighten the screws. If you're finding the video useful thus far, a like would be massively appreciated. Next, you want to attach the dimmer switch cover. The cover has these small tabs inside that secure it onto the switch plate. Be sure that the switch plate is level before you do this, as it's a pain in the butt to remove this. I did have an attempt at taking it off and I ended up ruining one of the covers as a result. It's a good thing you get two of these. I ended up cutting the tabs behind the cover, which allows me to easily take the cover off should I need access to the main switch. The dimmer switch cover has magnets at the back to hold the Philips Hue Dimmer Switch. Make sure the light switch is turned on before you mount the cover. You can see that once it's on, it sits flush to the wall and does look pretty good. I just wish it was a little slimmer. Setting up the dimmer switch was pretty easy using the Hue app. Go into the settings menu, accessory setup, press add accessory, Hue Dimmer Switch, and wait for the app to find the Hue Dimmer Switch. It shouldn't take more than a minute, but if it does, you can reset the dimmer switch using a pin and try again. Once connected, choose which room's lights you want to control. In this case, I want to control my bedroom lights. Rename the switch and finally customize the button presses. You can assign a scene to each button press sequence, which I'll demo next. If you're looking for an easy way to replace your current dumb switch with something a little smarter, I can definitely recommend these IYOKI light switch covers. They are pretty pricey for what is ultimately a piece of plastic that covers your existing light switch, but what you're really paying for is the convenience, the easy installation process, and the fact that you won't be turning off power to your Hue bulbs. If you enjoyed any part of this video, a like would be stupendous. I've got loads of exciting things coming up, including a PS5 unboxing, unless the delivery is delayed because of yet another lockdown in the UK. But please consider subscribing if you don't want to miss out. Comment below if you have any questions or just any thoughts. I'll be happy to read those comments and respond. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.